Mr. Rajinikanth is a great man. He is not only an actor, but also he is a great human being, man. He is a worldwide famous man. He is an Anmigavadi. He is a good man. He is all of the Tamil people accepted man. He is a great leader, good actor. Such a man, but Adhavarjan told such a word is a wrong word. It's not correct. It's not forgive the Rajini fans. Not only Rajini fans, but also the whole Tamil people, including our BJP, Bharat Janata Party. Don't forgive me the Adhavarjan. I expect that Mr. Vijay take an apologies, but even 2-3 days after not being apologized, it's not a good. Hereafter that Vijay will get an apology. That way. Yes, tomorrow all the revenue districts from Chennai to Kanyakumari. In Chennai, Mr. EPS attend that program. In Nagarjuil, ex-Central Minister Mr. Pon Radhakrishnan also. I am also conducted at Madurai. Tamilise also Tirunelveli. So in Tanjavur, Mr. T.T. Janagaran, Mr. G.K. Vasan at Erode. So all the revenue districts, all the NDLs are participating tomorrow's protest. Our alliance always be strong. We are a winning alliance. The seat sharing will be very soon.